Families and friends, the Jamaican authorities are seeking help catching this fool here. As you see, it's another cabbie that has no respect for the public, as the Jamaican authorities has released a clear picture and asking the public with assistance to help catch this criminal that has vandalized the public bus. In the social media posted platform X, the Jamaican Customs Force appealed to a man to surrender to the next police station. The man is wanted by Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. The incident, which occurred last week in corporate area, went viral on social media on Sunday. A video show a man allegedly a taxi operator sprinting towards a Jamaican Urban Transit Company bus and throwing an object at it, shattering the window and sending glass fragment inside the vehicle, where passengers were watching in shock as the attack unfolded. Ladies and gentlemen, the man then retreated to his vehicle, believing to be a taxi cab, while passengers urged the JUTC bus to go in reverse. In doing so, the bus made contact with the side of the taxi, momentarily stopping it. The video concluded with the taxi stop in front of the bus as the driver exit and moved towards the sidewalk. The Transport Minister, Darrell Voss, addressed the incident on Monday, urging the man to surrender to the authorities. The motive behind the attack remains unknown. The police have yet to comment on the specific of the case. The dramatic footage appeared on social media. It was apparently filmed by a JUTC passenger, continues to circulate widely on the social media, ladies and gentlemen. And as you see, this fool that you see on the screen attacked a JUTC bus carrying a lot of passengers. It appears the boy probably jealous, said the boss attack where some of him customer look pan them face for me, people, because we want him to learn that not only him can't fight the authorities like that, but him could have created a situation where the bus crash and the children them get hurt. Look at this fool. Look at his face. Me know somebody out there know him. You organ T. Look what the boy do. Look how him deal with the youth them. You can obviously see him throwing the object and running. Now the part where me no appreciate love at this part. Look on the shape where I met now. And park up in front of the people them, in front of the youths them. And pull and park up in front of the youths them and block the bus. And me I really try wonder for him that come out of the vehicle and gone over there so. Once if I really him gone over there so, gone like him a shape off of the bus, like say him have something in a bag or something. You can think you can see say the vehicle open up. The vehicle door open. Right? And when the vehicle door open, you see the person walk out and like say them a shape for your bag. Like him a show us the boy him have something. I don't know if a knife or a strap him up, but I most of the time him wouldn't stab. But people will ask you if you know who do this idiotness, we violate the youths them and violate the JUTC, the JUTC bus. Sorry, JUTC. Turn him in, man, and make the boy pay, man. Cause we not hide no criminal no more. We not promote them thing there. A straight up thing me I tell you. Leave your comment on it, family and friends, because what me notice, you know, my people them are cowards and scared, you know. Me not tell you say me brave, you know, or bad or nothing, you know. But me say try make you know say yo certain nastiness we not promote in a Jamaica. Look at taxi cab them are going to horrible. You are guarantee. When the youths them are take the bus, it's because them vex. The bus them high and comfortable. AC. Some of them have all Wi-Fi. You are guarantee say the boy them jealous and vex. A different time now for the youth them. Big up on yourself, your school youth. Give thanks for the video. And thanks say you don't have enough sense for video this clown. And the Jamaican government have now produced a clearer image. And it's now released. And we want him for turning himself. You are gonna take. Big up the youths them. Because we not big up no one else. And youths, big up on yourself. Don't make nobody take no advantage of you. You are gonna take. Yeah. The Approach TV said that. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen.
Big up The Approach TV. Respect. Make sure you tune in the year every time.
I mean, because big up yourself too, you know.